Many believe that microwaves cook food from the inside out, but the truth is quite different. Scientific explanation. Microwaves work by producing electromagnetic waves that excite water molecules in food, generating heat. However, this process mainly affects the outer layers of food first, which then transfers heat inward through conduction. That's why thicker foods can have cold spots or require stirring, because microwaves don't penetrate very deep. They generally heat only 1 to 1.5 inches deep, and anything beyond that relies on heat traveling from the surface inward. Did you think microwaves worked differently? Let's chat in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more amazing science facts. Share this with someone who still believes the myth.